Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to our iCraft YouTube channel. And as Diwali is coming, so we just thought of sharing some exciting and cool idea for making this pair of Shubh Labh, and that too with the resin. So watch till end. First, I've taken my white color chalk paint and I'm painting my entire base, including the edges. Now for the top layer, I'm going to use my golden pigment powder and a binder to bind, give it a liquidify look. I will add little binder to my powder, and this will make my paint very smooth and easy for me to paint the entire top layer with a golden color. Don't you think this golden color is giving very nice festive feel? So we have used white as a base and golden as a top ring, top to the golden color. And after sticking them with the glue, finally I've taken some diamond dust powder, and in that I'm adding some alcohol inks, and these all different color alcohol inks will make that powder exactly the shade what I want. So here I've created a green color shade and a red color shade to give a festive vibe. And now slowly, with a very patiently, you really need to do it carefully. We will fill this red color powder into the lotus petal, and as this lotus gives the symbol of a Lakshmi ji, so I'm filling my powder into this one, and to the leaves I'll add little green color. Here it's a very small area, so I'm just taking it very carefully with a small stick. And this process is really amazing. Now this is a clear diamond dust. I have not added any color into that, and that's a pure white which I will be adding in the background. You can also create your rangolis using the same technique. So I'm just balancing my entire powder and giving a flat surface and removing all excess powder now. Once you get a flat and smooth surface, we will do similar process to the Shubh and Labh both. And now I'm mixing my 2:1 ratio resin and hardener. And resin and hardener we will drop very carefully on the powder. And we need to make sure that it doesn't get mixed with each other. In this process, you will get a lot of bubbles. So you really need to be careful, and you can keep pricking your bubble, or you can also use a blowtorch at the end. So here with the help of blowtorch, I'm just removing all my bubbles from the resin. And we need to wait for 3 to 4 hours. And after this, look at the shimmery look and perfect festive vibe Shubh Labh pair is ready. So do try and let me know in comment.